Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how to reset Bluetooth setting guys. You want to reset your Bluetooth setting guys. You have problem in your Bluetooth. When you connect, it disconnect, it do not work properly. So don't worry guys, I will show you how can you solve your Bluetooth problem, and guys how can you reset your Bluetooth setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So let's see. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So I first of all open your phone setting. To reset guys your Bluetooth setting guys, this guys click on the system setting, guys click on reset option. Guys you can see Bluetooth, click, and guys you can see this Bluetooth setting. So I reset setting, and guys you have pattern and password. So guys enter your password and guys click on reset setting. So guys network has been reset. So I hope friends you have understood how to reset Bluetooth setting. After that guys, if you have any problem in your Bluetooth, so guys tell me on comment your phone model number, then guys I will tell you how to solve this problem. So I hope friends you have understood how to reset Bluetooth setting in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like me to subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.